Hello to all my subscribers. So I just wanted to show you guys a little bit about what I did to my helmet as well. With the pinstriping that I purchased. I put it on the description in the video that I made. What I did, I took the pinstriping and I kind of made my helmet look a lot better. Plus, this is reflecting pinstriping, guys. So when the headlights, any lights will hit it, it's gonna, at night it's gonna reflect. You can saw the video, and it's pretty awesome. It catch people's attention. It looks like neon lights, and it's real cheap to do. It's the same thing I did with my bike. I put it on the frame of my bike, and she looked pretty dang cool. So I just wanted to show you guys how I did it. You can pick your own little design. It's not that hard. What I recommend is you clean your helmet with alcohol, so that way it will stick and will not come off. And you can do your own design on your helmet, on your bike, reflecting. At night when you're riding at night, even in the daytime. When the sun hit this reflecting pinstriping, it looks pretty cool. So I just want to keep some safety out there for you guys, so that way you guys can be noticed out there in the road. And hell, if you got a helmet that you didn't pay a lot of money, you want to make that helmet looks pretty awesome. Yeah, you guys can see that this is a $20 helmet that I purchased from OfferUp. It's a nice helmet, but I made it look pretty nice. Yeah, so here we go. And just sharing my my experience and sharing my skills with you guys, so you guys can pick what I do, so that way you guys can do yours as well. So thank you for subscribing, and thank you for all the comments. And if you guys got any other questions, just send me a message. Thank you so much, and have a good night.